Hey folks, thought I'd do a short video on the Dewalt screwdriver bits and drill bits. Comes in a tough case. I needed drill bits, so these are about $10 more than drill bits by themselves, so I ended up buying this set. We have a 1/16 of an inch through 3/8 on the drill bits. Number 2 Phillips. T25 on the Torx through 40. Looks like they repeat that on the other corner of the case. Extra long bits, we have 3 Phillipses and 2 25 Torx. 25 Torx is the one you use the most. That's kind of nice. It looks like they repeat these 2 sets here. They got a number 1 Phillips, number 2 Phillips, number 3, 3 flats and 2 squares, and they're repeated. 4 sets of those. 5 number 2 Phillips. And a little bit case with some various number 2s and a bunch of 25s. Use the 25s in construction a lot, your Torx screws, fasteners. We got a deck setter screw, 2 nut drivers, 1/4 inch and 5/16, a magnetic holder, which I'm not a fan of, but it comes with the kit, and a 1/4 to 3/8 drive adapter. Put a 3/8 socket on your 3/8 driver. Not a bad little kit. I think it was $42 from my local lumberyard. So, thanks for watching.